Hello everyone, it's Marilyn. I have an unboxing video. I want to share with you the February limited edition kit. This month the kit is so beautiful. I just love this paper, and I want to share with you all the products one by one. I will start with the paper first. I am in love with this paper because I personally love fairies, so you can imagine. Let me show you all this beautiful paper. Let's take a look at the first one. This is from Graphic 45 and it's called Fairie Dust Collection. Look, these images, the fairy, everything. I love everything, the colors. It's so pretty. And you receive 2 papers of each design. And here's the second one. Look, the colors, purples, orange, and you have these tiny fairies in the design. Maybe, I don't know if you can see, but it's so cute, so pretty. And on the back you have these plates. It's so lovely, this side too. And look, this one, oh, it's so pretty with all these fairies to cut out and use it in your pages. So pretty. And on the back you have this design that is in green with little fairies. And you have also this paper that has many cards with different images. All are beautiful. And on the back you have this design that I love with all these words. And also you have 2 papers. Okay, look, this one, this purple paper is so cute. I like it. And the other side is green. I love the purple side. So pretty. And also you have this one with stripes. This side is not for me, but it's okay. And on the, oh, I like this side. Look, with the purple spot, very pretty. The next one is this one with a lot of mushrooms. Not for my style, but it's okay. And on the back, oh, this side is gorgeous. Look at this. It looks like a sky, like a purple sky full of stars. Love this one. And the other paper you have, oh, this is good for fussy cutting. You have cards, stamps. Oh, it's pretty, the back side too. Look at this. And you receive also 2 pages from 49 a Market. Look, this paper is so pretty. Love it, the colors. Look, this one. Oh, the back is nice too, very pretty. Oh, look, this one. Love this one with the fairies and the, oh, look, the back. Love these 2 papers too. And you receive the Fairy Dust sticker sheets, and it is full of different stickers. You have tags, buttons. Look, these circles. You have phrases, quotes. Nice, very pretty, the papers. Love everything. Okay, let me organize all the papers to show you the rest of products that are included in this kit. I will continue with this stencil from Prima. It is a 6x6 stencil. You also receive this foamy alphabet by American Craft. You get, let me see, this resin frame by, it's a memory hardware, Prima by Frank Garcia. Let me open because I want to show you because it's so pretty, this frame. It has a lot of detail. I will try to show you. Let me see if you can see through the camera the design, but it's so pretty. Let me see how, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inches by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 by 4 inches. So nice. Let me see what else. You have ribbons. It is like a organza ribbons, and you got this bunch of tiny roses in color green. You have 12 Prima flower. These are big one. In this color looks more with the purples, orange that the paper has. And also you receive two flowers, 2 packages from 49 and Market. Look, these beautiful ivory flowers. And you have a package of this one that are lavender and purples, and you have a lot of flowers in the package. And as you can see, this is the beautiful February limited edition kit by My Creative Scrapbook. I will let you the link if you are interested in this kit in the description box down below, and I come back very soon with my first video tutorial. You will see what I'm going to create with this kit. See you. Bye bye.